Welcome to China. See China by train.
Can you imagine? We pay only 29 yuan.
Yes, you can totally lie down.
Yeah.
Better than business class on a plane.
Oh my god! It's a television. Norwegian friends want to experience high-speed train in Harbin. So we will take a 10 minutes high speed. And let's go.
You can purchase inexpensive business class tickets in many cities across China, including Beijing, Tianjin, Qingdao, Harbin, etc., with a travel time of 8 to 20 minutes and ticket prices ranging from $2 to $4. Foreign tourists can download the 12306 app, switch to English mode, and add passport information for ticket purchases. Tickets can also be purchased at the station or with the assistance of a Chinese friend.
We are going to the business class lounge.
Yes.
Check out the
Special.
You can have more coffee. Stig.
More coffee here.
And snacks.
More snacks.
It's about 360 kilometers an hour, something like that.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Look at this. 和谐号.
Horse here. How?
Yes, it means harmony.
Always harmony on the train.
Yes. Ooh, yes, it's us. It's for us. Holy banana. We pay only 29 yuan, but only for 10 minutes.
I feel like a kid.
Quite comfortable. So you can totally lie down. It's just like a bed.
And then you can travel for days. You don't need a hotel. It's better than business class on a plane.
Oh, everyone has slippers. Yeah.
Gauchi
Slipper, yeah.
slippers. So you can take them with you.
You can take them.
I think this, I could go around China in this kind of luxury. This is the best train I've ever been on. What a trip. Things we will see, what we will experience on this journey. Amazing things.
I have seats like this. Then you don't need the train to go that fast either.
No.
And can you imagine that you can order the delivery on the train?
And a guy with a motorbike will drive along the train.
The next station will put the deliver on the train. Every seat
It's a
there has
microphone.
lamp. No, it's not a microphone. It's the light. Okay. Look, what's inside the television? Oh my god! It's a television and it's a table. We can do everything here. Oh my god!
你好，你好。
你好。你好。
Oh, thank you. 你好。
这些我们都可以带走，
谢谢。
是吧？对，都可以带走的。We can take them all with us. Dried octopus, nuts. Oh, dried beef. This is hawthorn. A little cake. Oreo. Amazing. Yeah. Okay. Oh, lunchtime.
The train is slowing down. We're soon coming into our end of this journey on the Gauchi.
29 yuan, 10 minutes. Business coach of high-speed railway from Harbin West to Harbin Station. We got all of these. It's an amazing trip.
A wonderful journey. I enjoyed it a lot. Bye-bye, Gauchi.
Look at the Harbin railway station, just like a Harry Potter world.
When did they build this fantastic building?
The work started in the year 1899.
Fantastic day. And this is a very important historic building.
Yes, because the city Harbin is deeply related to railways.
Railways are important in China, but before the railway came here, it was
Harbin was a little fish village.
by the river. And today you can go from this railway station in Harbin to anywhere in China
Anywhere.
with a high-speed train,
High-speed train.
the Gauchi.